Good morning everyone. Welcome to your English class. Today we are going to do the exercises of lesson number 6 conditionals. Exercise A. Complete these sentences with suitable verbs. Dear students, as you all can see that this question tells us to use verbs so that we can complete these sentences. We have to use verbs to fill these gaps so that the sentence may become complete. Sentence number 1. If no one drives you to the station, take a bus to Howrah station. Here the verb drives is being used. It is easier to do that if you have some practice. Here we have used have as the main verb. Mother gets annoyed if I do not clean my room. Here we have used the verb clean to fill this blank. Plants die if they are not watered. Here, as you can see, the main verb watered is being already given. We will use are not to complete this sentence because it is showing a negative sense, that is why we are using are not. If you put the milk in the refrigerator, it does not curdle. Here we have used the verb put. Miss Verma calls us if we do not finish our homework. Here we have used the verb finish. Now let's move on to exercise B. Rearrange the words in the brackets to complete these sentences. See here, dear students, as you can see that in all the sentences we have been given two parts, in which first part is given in a arranged form, whereas the second part is given in a puzzled form. We have to arrange these words so that we can make a meaningful sentence. Sentence number 1. If Priya sings well, win, will, competition, she, the. The correct sentence will be, if Priya sings well, she will win the competition. Sentence number 2. If it is sunny tomorrow morning, football will we play. The correct sentence is, if it is sunny tomorrow morning, we will play football. Sentence number 3. If you do not study hard, not the well, you do exams will end. The correct sentence for sentence number 3 is, if you do not study hard, you will not do well in the exams. Sentence number 4. We will cancel our trip to the Japanese garden on if rains Sunday it. Here, as you can see, these words are given in a puzzled form. They are not placed in their correct positions. We will rearrange them to form a meaningful sentence. We will cancel our trip to the Japanese garden if it rains on Sunday. Sentence number 5. If he is not feeling well, will the he doctor to go? The correct sentence will be, if he is not feeling well, he will go to the doctor. Sentence number 6. If my friends are not busy, museum will to go we today the. The correct sentence for sentence number 6 is, if my friends are not busy, we will go to the museum today. Sentence number 7. If you do not hurry, miss, will you train the. We will rearrange these words and form a meaningful sentence. The correct sentence is, if you do not hurry, you will miss the train. Now we will do exercise C. Match the clauses in the column A and B to form complete sentences. Here, as you can see, two columns are given, column A and column B. Both these columns have clauses. We have to match correct clauses to form meaningful sentences. Sentence number 1. If I were in Hyderabad, we will match sentence number 1 with option C in column B. I would be with my family. Sentence number 2 in column A. If he had her dress, we will match sentence number 2 with option E in column B. He would send her a gift. Sentence number 3. I would go to the cinema. We will match sentence number 3 with option B in column B. If I had some company. Sentence number 4. If it were warmer, we will match sentence number 4 with option G in column B. We would play outdoors. Sentence number 5. If you started earlier, we will match the sentence with option D in column B. You could get there in time. Sentence number 6. I would be grateful. We will match this part with option H in column B. If you helped me. Sentence number 7. If the water was clean, we will match this part with option A in column B. Everyone would drink it. Sentence number 8. If they had enough money, we will match this part with option F in column B. They would buy a house. Now let's move on to exercise D. Complete these sentences with would have or wouldn't have. In this exercise, we have to use would have or wouldn't have to complete the sentences. Sentence number 1. If the wind had not been so strong, the clothes wouldn't have blown about everywhere. Sentence number 2. I would have called you if I had your telephone number. If we had caught the first bus, we would have reached the city much earlier. Sentence number 4. If she had come to my party, I would have been very happy. Sentence number 5. We would have gone for a picnic if it had been a pleasant day. Sentence number 6. If she had listened to me, she wouldn't have made the correct decision. Sentence number 7. If I had practiced harder, I would have performed better in the show. Sentence number 8. If I had known earlier, I would have brought all my notes with me. That's all for today, dear students. I hope this video will help you in understanding this lesson nicely and complete your work in your fair notebooks. Thank you and have a good day.